Welcome to week 16. 16. Holy cow, we're almost done. English Online 111, Shaw University Spring Semester 2018. What are we doing this week? Well, last week you uploaded your first drafts of paper 3. Once here for me to review so I can give you feedback, and once here for other people to give you feedback. So yes, that's what you did last week. Well, this week you actually get to complete the peer reviews of paper 3. So again, after people have uploaded their papers here, then you pick 2 papers to review. Again, this is not new. We did this for paper 2. And just go through here again. You need to make sure you don't want more than 2 reviews per paper, because we don't want to have people with a whole bunch of reviews and some with none. Okay, so just follow these directions here. Okay, and again it says, let's see, based on the feedback guide. Well, where's the feedback guide? Well, feedback guide. I'll actually put it down there because it's not showing right now, but it'll be there by the time you get there. It's right here. I'll put that down there in the paper down here once we get actually to that place in time. Yeah, so it'll be here. It's on the video, but it's there. Okay, so that's what you're doing this week. It's again, we've done this before, and you do get graded on doing this. It is part of your grade to go in and not only post your paper, but to give feedback. So it is part of your grade. Don't blow this off. And that's it. So again, we've done this before. Not really a new concept. So now go ahead and just do it. Finish strong. All right.